Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening sa inyong lahat. Welcome sa aking YouTube channel. So for today's video, I will show you or I will teach you on how to order GCash Mastercard. So update lang ngayong February 2021 sa mga mag-order ng GCash Mastercard. Tamang-tama to para sa inyo. Ito yung mga steps kung paano mag-order ng GCash Mastercard. So first step is open your GCash application. Next is enter your 4-digit PIN. Next is, before you proceed to checkout, your GCash wallet must have at least 215 pesos and your GCash account must be fully verified. So hindi ka makapag-order ng GCash Mastercard kung hindi ka fully verified at saka kulang yung balance ng GCash wallet mo. So next, pagka-proceed mo ng checkout, ay click the deliver button para yung courier na ang mag-deliver ng GCash Mastercard sa inyong bahay. So, no hassle na, sila na yung mag-deliver. So, pagkatapos mong mag-click ng deliver button, ay makikita mo yung instructions and reminders before you fill out the form. So, scroll down lang tayo. Pagkatapos nating mag-scroll down, ay makikita na natin yung GCash Mastercard order form. So, makikita natin dito na i-fill out natin itong details, yung GCash mobile number mo, first name, last name, delivery shipping address, kung saan mo gustong i-deliver yung GCash Mastercard mo. So, yung street name, building name, house number, barangay, town, city or municipality, ZIP code, other contact number. So, yun. So, sa mga nagtatanong kung ano ba yung ZIP code. So, malalaman nyo yan sa pag-search ng Google. So, nandun yung details ng ZIP code ng inyong municipality or lugar. So, kung tapos ka na mag-fill out, click mo lang yung terms and conditions and proceed. Pagkatapos mong mag-proceed, may confirmation page. So, i-review mo yung mga details, yung GCash number, first name, last name, delivery address, other contact number. So, yun. Click natin yung submit verification details. After you submit the verification details, makikita mo yung order number dito sa baba. So, I suggest you na i-copy yung order number or screenshot. So, pagkatapos mo ma-screenshot ay back to home page tayo. So, pagkatapos makabalik tayo sa homepage, ay click natin yung pay bills. Hanapin natin yung pay bills. Click pay bills, pagkatapos ay click payment solutions nandito sa baba. Next is hanapin mo yung GCash Mastercard kasi nasa baba yung GCash Mastercard. Scroll down mo lang, tsaka makikita mo yung GCash Mastercard. Tsaka click GCash Mastercard. Pagkatapos ay nandito na yung details, fill out ka na naman. Ilagay mo yung GCash mobile number mo, your order ID. So, yung order ID ay yung kinapi natin kanina or ni-screenshot. Dito natin ilalagay yung order ID. So, next is amount. Magkano nga ba ang GCash Mastercard? So, GCash Mastercard is 150 pesos plus delivery fee 65 pesos. So, ang ilalagay mo dyan is 215 pesos. Tsaka, pwede ka rin maglagay ng email, pero optional na yan. Pero mas mahalaga kung ilagay mo yung email para maka-receive ka ng receipt. Pagkatapos mong ma-fill out ang mga details dito, click mo lang yung next. Tsaka kung maka-proceed ka ng next, may mga details dito kung tama ba lahat at saka confirm. So, after mo magbayad ng 215 pesos sa GCash, you will receive a receipt from GCash. So, nandito yung details, reference number, at saka kailan mo in-order ang GCash Mastercard. So, I ordered GCash Mastercard on February 23, 2021, at saka sinave at in-screenshot ko ito. Tsaka you will receive also a text message na nagpapatunay na nagbayad ka ng 215 pesos. At saka nagsabi rin ng GCash dito na your payment will be posted within 3 business days. At saka kanina naglagay ako ng email address. So I received a receipt also from GCash. Nandito yung details. So I'm hoping na nakatulong ito sa inyo kung paano mag-order ng GCash Mastercard. And I will update you soon kung natanggap mo na ang GCash Mastercard. And I will tell you ilang business days ako naghintay bago ko makuha ang GCash Mastercard. I'm hoping you will support my YouTube channel. And I am newbie here. And keep safe sa inyo. Bye!